Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your vehicle's alternator. This do-it-yourself project can save you money and keep your vehicle running smoothly. First, gather your essential tools, including 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm sockets, along with a ratchet and extensions. A serpentine belt tool is crucial for releasing belt tension. Don't forget a flathead screwdriver and a magnetic pickup tool for those tricky spots. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare the area. Safety first. Always disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent electrical shorts. Next, remove the engine cover and air intake components to clear your workspace. You'll need to unclip and gently move the power steering and windshield washer fluid reservoirs out of the way. Then, disconnect the main electrical connector and the positive battery cable from the alternator itself. Finally, remove any small brackets or wiring harnesses that might obstruct the alternator's removal. With the area clear, it's time to remove the old alternator. Use a 14mm socket on a long wrench or a serpentine belt tool to rotate the tensioner and release the belt tension. Carefully slip the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Next, remove the two main mounting bolts. One is usually a 12mm and the other a 14mm. The alternator can be heavy and awkward, so carefully maneuver it out. Now, guide your new alternator into position, aligning it with the mounting holes. Almost done. Loosely install the two alternator mounting bolts first, then tighten them securely. Reconnect all electrical connections to the new alternator, making sure they are firm. Now, carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, then release the tensioner to apply proper tension. Return the power steering and washer fluid reservoirs to their original spots. Finally, reinstall the air intake, engine cover, and reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your vehicle and check for proper charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.